Okay. We're ticking off bees.
You're gonna shoot first?
Yeah, he's gonna shoot it with his 40.
Look how big this thing is.
Look at him crawling on it.
Okay. You hold that on there.
Okay.
I'm gonna shoot with my 45 first.
How many?
Wait, I gotta plug my ear.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Plug your ears. Ready?
Yeah. Oh, they're moving.
Okay.
Okay. You're hitting me with your...
Oh, they're mad. They're madder than hornets.
Tell me when you're ready.
Do it now. Oh, they're ticked. Watch out. Watch out. Woohoo!
A jam off that cheap ammo.
I did it.
That's how you take care of a beehive, Duck Dynasty style.
Clear.